Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on live caption in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to look for live caption options? We have to go to settings, of course. Then we are scrolling until we find accessibility options. And here we have hearing enhancements. At the top is our live caption. By default, it's of course turned off. When we open this menu here, first we need to download about 50 to 60 megabytes, and we simply turn it on by checking this little box. What does it exactly do? Live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. Very descriptive. That is what it does. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.